Fine. But we're gonna start with the warm-up. So if you guys could find warm-up number 4, please. Warm-up number 4, which was the average lifespan of these animals here. This is a box and whisker plot problem. So we need to, goodness sakes, throwing stuff. We need to start by putting them in least to greatest. So I see 4. What's next? 10, 10, 12, 14, 2 15s, 16, 17, 18, 2 26s. I'm a master at least to greatest, apparently. 28. Now, did I say that? I'm going to screw it up. 35, 45, 45, 50, 55. Okay, did I do it? Did I do it? Okay. All right. Now, how many numbers are there? 17? Okay, so what would the middle one be? Yup. Okay, so we have the minimum is 4. Median is 18. The max is 55. Okay, now I have to do quartile 1 and 3. Remember, when you find the quartiles, you don't include the median, so it's just the things below. Cover, cover, cover. What would quartile 1 be? Yes, 14.5. You can just see that it would be right between those two. Cover, cover, cover. Yep, 40, gorgeous, wonderful job. Okay, now what we need to do is draw a number line with equal distance from like 0 to 60. So we're gonna go by tens. Oh man, it looks like I knew what I was doing there. I just totally won that, I swear. All right, so my minimum is at 4. Q1 is 14.5. Median is 18. Q3 is 40. Max is 55. Are we getting faster at this or just as a better data set? Okay, any questions about warm up number 4? Are we getting better at box plots by hand? Okay, now scroll your paper down to number 6. And we're going to do a stem and leaf plot down there. Oh no. Okay. So what are all the possible tens places? Okay, so there's 4, 5, 6. Oh, did you think I said tenths? I said tens place. These are the tens place, right? Are these the ones and the tens? No? Okay, okay. So the tens places are 4, 5, 6, and 7, correct? That's all the options. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Okay. Okay, now let's look at the 4s. There's only one, so 47. The 5s, 54. Okay, there's a bunch of 6s. 3, 4, 6, and 9. And then there's a bunch of 7s. 1, 5, 9, and 9. Do you think you could recreate a stem and leaf plot if you had to? Just make sure that your leaves are going from least to greatest. And if there's 2 of them, make sure to write both. Okay. I believe you're done with your packet for the day. You can put that away. Okay. Let me bring over the agenda. Okay. Today we're going to do an activity. It's called 40 holes of golf, but it's not really golf. It's tossing pennies, but we're going to pretend that it's golf. So anyway, it's fun. We're not going to be able to finish it all today. On the block day, you'll notice on your stamp sheet, it says finish 25 and then 40 to 43. So I'll let you know what part of it I need you to get done. And this is wrong. Okay, the joke is funny, but that's not, wait, does this say, wait, yeah. Okay, anyway, I saw a guy like this in Costco the other day, but it said, found one of those people you hear about in a math problem. The guy with like the 20 watermelons. Yeah, I like that one. Okay. Okay. So I need you all to come over here and just form a circle to this general region so that you can watch me and my group here. This is me and my group. I did this for everybody just come to where you can see ish. Extremely tall people, of which there are several in the back, please. Okay. Or my goodness, an entire head above everyone else. Okay, anyway. Those are very, all these are fine. Anyway, okay. So I'm gonna give each of your groups 4 things. I'm gonna give you a sticky dot, like this orange circle here. I'm gonna give you a measuring tape. I'm gonna give you a free throw line. It's not a free throw line. It's a starting line. It's a, what would you call it if you were playing golf? Yeah, I'll give you a tee box, and I'm gonna give you 10 pennies. Okay, okay, can you pick up the measuring tape? Okay, you're going to have each person in your group, hopefully there's 4. You're gonna have one person with pennies, one person with a measuring tape, one person with a notebook with this page open to the notebook, and another person is gonna be a chaser. These tend to roll. Okay, so the 4th person who's doing nothing is going to be making sure that they know where all the pennies go. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, I need a giant histogram below this on this page. It only goes out to 250. So this right here is 200 centimeters. If your penny rolls further than 250, you need to like toss it again. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to fit it like that. Okay, so let me show you what I did. First, I took my sticky dot and I placed it in a random spot. Then I took this here measuring tape and I turned it to this. I'm not blaming you. It's just that like chords and me. Okay, anyway, and I turned it to the centimeter side. The centimeter side is the little one. Okay. That's too long. Okay, and I took the 0 and I stuck it in the middle of the dot. So not on the edge, in the middle. You see that it's in the middle. So it's only half a circle showing. And then my friend held it there for me while I took this out 200 centimeters and then I put my line. Okay, so first step, place your sticky dot in a random spot, put your measuring tape on the 0 in the middle of the circle, and then measure out 200 centimeters and make your line. Okay, now you can pick this up. Okay, you're gonna be the measurer, I'm gonna be the tosser. Okay, each person is going to toss 10 pennies at once. And you want to get as close to the sticky dot as possible. Make sure that your toes are behind the line. Okay. Hold on. Back. Oh, it's not so bad. If it lands anywhere on the orange dot, that is a hole in 1, and it's 3 centimeters. Okay. I threw all 10. Did you see that? Yeah. Okay. Now, recorder person is going. You're going to start recording. So you're going to take the 0 pen, you're going to put it in the middle of this and go to the middle of the penny. And you're going to round to the nearest centimeter. So this one's a little over 13, so I'm going to say 13. And you're going to write down the number 13. Okay, and this penny is done. And then you're going to measure this one. And this one is 21. And this one's done. And this one is 39. You guys see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay. You're going to get 40 total measurements. So each person should throw the 10 pennies one time. That's the most efficient way is have throw 10, measure 10, pick them up, next person. Throw 10, measure 10, pick them up, next person. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. Do you guys want to use these ones? Which ones do you write down? Okay, that's these 3. So your job is like already started for you guys. Okay, so this group can just keep going. All right, but wait, pause. When you guys have your 40 measurements, so it says list your distances from tosses 1 through 40, and then after that, you're going to arrange them from least to greatest. That's what I'm hoping you'll get done by the end of the period. Just getting your tosses and arranging them from least to greatest. Okay. That's it for now. Okay. Now is the time to take the measurement. Okay, you need a line.
I'm not good measurements.
You're gonna have to do it. That's not
Are exactly the best at measurements?
Okay, come over and get the stuff. Yeah, one dot per group. Travel starting line. One per group. Okay, you guys, feel free to push the tables toward the center. Just go All right, you guys, some people have already started working on finding these. So you guys know what to do to get the mean. It's going to be kind of hard. You should use a calculator. You don't need to do it right now. I'm just saying, do you know how to get the mean? Add them all up and divide by 40. Okay. The median will be the average of your 20th and 21st number. Quartile 1 will be the average of your 10th and 11th number. And quartile 3 will be the average of your 30th and 31st number. Do you guys know how to average? Just add the 2 and divide by 2. And then the min is the winner, whoever got closest to the hole. It's not a person, it's the number closest to the hole. And then the max is the poor person who had the roller. Somebody had a roller. Yeah, there is okay. So if you are able to, if you have time, start trying to fill some of this stuff in. We're gonna come back on the block day and work on the histogram and box plot. So the histogram is gonna go from 1 to 15 on the y-axis for the frequency, and it's gonna go by 5s to 250 on the x-axis, just so you know. But that's what we're doing on the block day.